Hi everyone. This time it's a gluten-free dessert recipe. I'm sure you will love it. Do try this recipe and share your feedback in the comment section below. Let's start. We need to separate out egg whites and egg yolks of 2 eggs and use the egg whites first. Beat them for a while. We will take 1 by 3 cup of powdered sugar and use approximately half of it now. Continue whisking until stiff peaks are seen. Coming to the egg yolks, add in the remaining part of powdered sugar and beat until it becomes pale, creamy and thick. Once done, add in 3 teaspoons of lemon zest. Make sure to scrape down the sides often, which ensures that all the sugar crystals are dissolved. Now the dry ingredients. To the sifter, add 1 by 8 cup of rice flour and corn flour. And around 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve them. I have taken a 11 by 8-inch baking tray. Place a sheet of parchment paper over it and grease it with oil. Now let's mix the 3 parts together. Add the beaten egg yolk to the egg white mixture bowl. Add the dry ingredients in 2 parts and mix gently with cut and fold method. Transfer the batter to the grease baking tray. Spread the batter evenly with spatula. Tap the tray few times to remove air bubbles. We need to bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees until the surface turns golden brown. Will take around 10 to 15 minutes. For the filling, take 1/4 cup of strawberry puree in a pan. Cook it on a low flame and reduce it to half the volume. In a bowl, take 1/4 cup of unsalted butter. Add half a cup of powdered sugar and beat until it becomes pale and fluffy. Once done, add half cup of cream cheese. Soften it with spatula and then beat. Now add in the cooked strawberry puree. Make sure not to overwhisk, just that it's spread evenly. When done, keep it in fridge, which will make it thicker and hence easy to spread on the sheet cake. Now let's take a cotton cloth or a towel over which we will be inverting the cake. Dust some powdered sugar over it. This is to make sure that the hot cake doesn't stick to the cloth. Cake is out of the oven. Immediately invert the sheet cake over the towel. Be careful while handling as it will be super hot. Remove the parchment paper carefully and start rolling. Make Make sure to roll tightly. Let it cool completely for minimum of 2 hours. It's cooled now, time to unroll. Unroll the sheet cake very carefully to avoid the cracks. Spread the strawberry cream cheese filling over it with spatula. Roll it back very gently. Cling wrap it and keep it in refrigerator. To get clean slices, keep it in refrigerator for longer time. It's out from fridge. Cut down the edges to make it look more prettier. Time to garnish. I just dusted some powdered sugar first. And piped out some florets with whipped cream. Finally, some fresh juicy strawberry slices. Make this yummy, healthy, gluten-free Swiss roll this Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day! Hope you liked the recipe and the video. If yes, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.